We'll guide you through how to choose between Zapier and n8n based on your automation needs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Zapier website and log into your account if you haven't already. Zapier is known for its user-friendly interface and extensive library of integrations, making it perfect for users who want quick and easy automation without diving deep into technical details. You'll find that Zapier offers a wide range of pre-built zaps or automation templates that you can use with minimal setup. You simply choose a trigger and an action, and Zapier handles the rest. This makes it ideal for businesses that need reliable and straightforward automation, even if their team lacks technical expertise. On the other hand, if you're looking for a more customizable and cost-effective solution, especially for complex workflows, n8n might be the better choice. Head over to the n8n website and explore its open-source platform. n8n allows you to host your own instance, giving you complete control over your data and processes. It offers a visual workflow builder that is a bit more complex than Zapier, but allows for greater flexibility. You can create custom nodes and directly integrate with APIs, which is perfect if you have specific requirements or need to include custom code in your workflows. If ease of use and a vast array of integrations are what you need, Zapier is the way to go. However, if customization and control over your automation are more important, then n8n will suit you better. Consider your technical skills, budget, and the complexity of your workflows when making your choice. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.